Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. And in today's video, I'll be creating this look which I'm wearing right now. It is a very simple and easy makeup. So yeah, if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start by moisturizing my face. I am using the Pond's Super Light Gel. For primer, I am using the Smashbox Primer Water and I am spritzing it all over my face. For foundation, I am going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. It has a very natural matte finish and it gives you medium coverage, and I am in the shade Medium Olive. For concealer, I am going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. It is in the shade Pure Beige and I am mixing it with my Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. Now the Fit Me Concealer is tad bit lighter than my LA Girl Pro Conceal, so it just brightens up my under eye, and I am just blending it using my beauty sponge. To set my face, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. It is in the shade Light Medium, and I am just setting my concealer, and I am also setting my T-zone because I tend to get oily in my T-zone. For my brows, I am using my Wet n Wild Brow Kit and I am using the darkest shade in here. Now moving on to eyes, I am taking my Pretty Rich eyeshadow palette from Too Faced, and I am taking the shade It's Cashmere and I am putting it all over my crease. Now what I really like about this shade is it looks brown in the palette, but once you start applying it to your eyes and you buff it out, it sort of has like a hue of pink to it. Next, I am dipping into this shade called Filthy Rich and I am pretty much applying it on my entire lid. It is a beautiful metallic shade. For my lower lash line, I am using the same shade I used on my crease. For mascara, I am using this mascara from CoverGirl and I am just coating my lashes. And then I'm just putting on some falsies. It's a very optional step, but for me I feel that putting on falsies make a huge difference since I have thin lashes. For contour, I am using one of my favorite. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. It's in the shade Dulce de Leche. I really like to build it up around my cheeks, of course, and my forehead, my jawline, my nose, you know the drill, right? For blush, I am using this Baked Blush by Milani. This is in the shade Rose d'Oro. I am a chicken when it comes to blush and I like to stick to few shades that work on me, and this is one of them. It is absolutely gorgeous and I think it will suit the best for medium to deep complexion, but it does have shimmer in it which isn't too obvious, but if you have textured skin, I think it will emphasize it. Next, I am taking my Wet n Wild blush lighter in the shade After Sex Glow and I am taking the champagne shade in here and I am applying it to the high points of my face. And then I am applying the same highlighter to my inner corners, and using a small buffing brush I am dragging it into the inner corner of my lid. I really feel like it opens up my eye and it also looks very beautiful. Just make sure that you blend it with your existing lid shade to create that gradients, And then I'm going to apply the same mascara I used before to my lower lash line like a kajal. Also, all the products that I'm using today will be linked in the description box below. For my lips, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Trendsetter, and I'm topping it up with my Faces lip crayon in the shade Cashmere. And to finish this look off, I applied a bindi. So yeah, that completes this makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me, and take good care of yourself wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!